Underwater banging sounds heard in search for missing Titanic sub. Two separate search crews reported hearing pops and knocks coming from a location not far from where the tourist submarine disappeared while making its way to the wreck of the Titanic. According to several leaked emails obtained by Rolling Stone, a Canadian aircraft equipped with sonar technology has picked up repeated banging sounds. According to US Department of Homeland Security email exchange, the publication claims to have seen reports of repeated sounds. RCC Halifax launched P8 Poseidon, which has underwater detection capabilities and reports contact near distress position, the email said. P8 hears banging sounds in the area every 30 minutes. 4 hours later, additional sonar was deployed and the sound of the banging is still audible. The email also said that the Joint Rescue Coordination Center, through partner organizations, is working to locate a remotely operated underwater vehicle to potentially assist in determining the source of the noise. But they weren't the only ones who heard the sounds not far from the sub's final missing location. Travel and research groups, the Society of the Explorer, also claims their crew heard of a knock in another email, also seen by Rolling Stone. It was reported that at 2 a.m. local time, sonar detected a potential banging sound at the location, indicating that the crew may still be alive and sending signals. The SAR team is now racing against time to find the missing submarine. British explorer and billionaire businessman Hamish Harding has been confirmed as one of the 5 people missing from the Titanic submarine, as well as Harding, OceanGate CEO, Stockton Rush, Paul Henry Norjolet, Shahzada Diod, and son Suleiman was also missing. They are all believed to be on board the ship that disappeared on Sunday. US Coast Guard officials said the sub had enough oxygen to survive at most 3 days. 4 desperate families now wait news as search operations continue across the North Atlantic. American and Canadian rescue teams are trying to find the missing submarine after it disappeared about 435 miles south of Newfoundland, Canada. OceanGate, the company that brought tourists to the Titanic wreck, previously confirmed that there were 5 crew members on the board submarine nicknamed Titan, which disappeared in the Atlantic Ocean. Thanks.